Hello, this is Vampire with video number 5 on the GRASP project. We're using workflow.link to organize a idea generating system called GRASP. In the previous video number 4, you saw that I wanted to make a change in step number 2, which was the 6 ideas. And in the previous video, you'd see that the 6 ideas were just in one column, all straight down. And I found out that I wanted to reorganize my 6 ideas into 2 categories, one being active techniques, which are active idea generating techniques, and the second a passive idea generating technique. And out of the 6, there's one that's passive, which is the thought experiments, and there's 5 that are active, as seen in the rose color. So I asked Yuri if he could make some changes, and what he did is he went to the let's see here, the group box, and inserted one group box here, labeled it active techniques. Then he went and inserted a second group box here, which is called passive techniques. And now it's much easier to understand in step 2 what to do when starting with these 6 techniques. And I'm sorry, Yuri also generated a comment, which is active versus passive, and the idea behind these techniques. So, so just so you can see the changes that were made from the previous design to the new design. So now when you're getting into step 2, you'll have a clearer understanding about the approach to take in these 6 steps of active techniques versus passive. Hope you enjoyed this video. The next video will be going probably into the next idea generator, the next active generating technique called challenging assumptions. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in video number 5.